delighted to be here at this Champagne High Tea celebrating the unveiling of an edgy corporate party line of jewelry which exemplifies luxury for an ingenue, a new woman achiever called Darshana Aswani, who's launched Ornella with the auspices and the blessings of her woman achiever mother called
Ravina Aswani.
Ravina Aswani. I wanted her to say that herself.
Yeah.
And today we have women thronging from all corners of Bombay enjoying this absolutely delightful, light and youthful collection.
Yeah. So we've come up with an everyday collection which is from day to night. It's delicate, but at the same time it makes a statement, like the bold pieces, like statement pieces, but really lightweight from day to evening. Every woman, it's for every woman.
And it's also something that seamlessly multitasks from morning
Yeah.
to a party or a corporate evening.
Yeah.
And it's
I-
more affordable, like
Yeah, you
everybody
can wear
buy.
it for brunch, you can wear it at a cocktail event. It's like,
You know, as a woman speaking on, as a spokesperson of gender equality, I think Ravina Aswani is a woman who we must take a leaf out of for encouraging, and this is an eponymous label called Darshana Sanjana, named after Darshana and her sister Sanjana.
Yeah.
So she doesn't need a son to carry forward her line.
I'm
She's
proud.
proud of her young daughters,
Yes.
and I think I'm an
And I'm
admirer.
blessed. I'm blessed to have daughters. I'm blessed.
I wish more women would think like Ravina Aswani.
Yeah, yeah.
I wish more people would enjoy having young achiever daughters like the beautiful Darshana here. I'm delighted to be part of this evening, and there is a woman achiever who I'd like to acknowledge, Poonam Trivedi, who's made this stunning dress for me this evening. So today is about women achievers
Yes.
and gender equality.
Basically, actually, we wanted to start something in online, and Darshana suggested why not like have a different brand.
like something more affordable.
Yes.
Because our family brand Darshana Sanjana contains more like exquisite, like really heavy bridal jewelry.
Yeah.
So we've come up with something more lightweight. That was the main idea behind Ornella. Yeah, that's why a lot of our pieces are lightweight. They're not bulky. You can easily like carry them from morning to night, and it's very like you can wear them throughout the day. Yeah.
And also, she's used different technologies. She's
Yeah.
brought technology from foreign countries. Her jewelry is not, only conventional. It's jewelry that has floating diamonds, has new technology of creation. And I would, as a patron who's wearing her today, I'd like to say that Darshana, one of the unique things about her is she experiments, and she's one of the pioneers who's taken jewelry online. Until now, jewelry was always a mom and pop operation. Today, Darshana is going international with Ornella.
Yes, yes.
And with the backing of Kaushal, her father, and Ravina, her mother, she has taken Darshana Sanjana with the brand Ornella internationally.
And we are planning to open a store in New York next year, maybe.
So 3 cheers for that.
Thank you.
Yeah, like I said earlier, it was more like to start an affordable online collection under the family brand. That was the major idea that kickstarted online.
And nowadays, youngsters don't want to go out. They don't have time. They're so busy with everything. Say online is a better option. Nisha has done a damn good job. Like she's too good.
Well, I'm very discerning about the brands I associate Nisha Jamwal Luxury with. And as soon as I saw Darshana and Ravina, their ethics, the way they work, a lot of the employees are women. If you notice, the store employs mostly women. They support women achievers. They believe in gender equality. I believe in what Ravina Aswani is doing. I believe in the brand Darshana Sanjana, and which is why you see me sporting the brand. I was in UP after a long study stint and work stint in America and Paris, and I came across a lot of female feticide in UP, in Haryana. I was absolutely appalled. I do a lot of social work in educating people in villages about the power and the strength of the female force, Devi. Devi is a very female concept, one of the paramount concepts in our philosophy in India, where in any of the religions that take birth in India. And so I believe that we must support women, we must give impetus to women like yourself, women like Darshana, women, and most important, women like Ravina who enjoy giving birth to women and giving them encouragement and giving them a career and feeling so proud of them. So more than all of us, it's the mothers who really take the this stand and change the perception and the age-old views of India.
No, I just hope everyone who's come today really loved the collection and enjoyed the evening.
I'd like to say that Bombay is a city of dreams. If you have a dream, if you have the gumption to follow your dream like Darshana has, like I had, we've both come as newcomers studying abroad. I came around 15 years ago. She's come hardly a year, 6 months ago. And Bombay is a city of dreams. It gives wings to your dreams. So go out and achieve your dreams, girls.
I'm just very happy to be here. Risha's invited me, and I know whatever she does it with great panache and style. And I'm sure the products exhibited will be exceptionally good. And I'm just happy to be here. I support her in every event she does, and I'm here for her, and I'm sure it'll be a great evening.
I come for Nisha because I know she's associated with very good things always, so it's going to be very good. I'm looking forward to see the collection. No, let me see it. I will definitely, I'm sure it'll be very good. If Nisha is recommending it, I'm sure it'll be very good. I'm really looking forward.
Of course, my best wishes to Nisha are always there, and she's a wonderful person. She always manages to call me and get me out of the house, whereas everybody knows that I barely make any appearances. But for Nisha, I always make the time, and I think she's very good with people. She's a people's person, and that's what's lovely about her. So today I'm here, and I can easily make out why I'm here and why Nisha wanted me here. It's just for the love of jewelry, and obviously for the love of Nisha.
I'm here for Nisha Jamwal and Darshana for this beautiful jewelry, and Nisha Jamwal is a very dear friend of mine. Nisha Jamwal Luxury, we all know, is a very big brand. Nisha and I are also, we have started a campaign in Mumbai to make Mumbai access friendly, to make Mumbai wheelchair friendly. As a result, we both have petitioned in Bombay High Court that there should be ramps all over Mumbai, and we have given a list of a lot of buildings which are not disabled friendly. So I think we are working for a cause, and today, as you see, every beautiful thing which is there must be with a purpose, and today it is beauty with a purpose.
I just want to wish them all the best. मैं अभी जाके collection देखने वाली हूँ. I love jewelry, so this is a place where I spend a lot of my money. So I know a lot about jewelry, and I'm waiting to go see what they've done. मुझे actually I like a lot of traditional jewelry. तो polki jada is something I like very much. मुझे gold jewelry भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. And then of course there's diamonds as well, but in diamonds I like bigger diamonds, so yeah. So normally if I have to wear, like today also, if you just see I'm wearing this small little thing, so either you wear a statement necklace which goes with your outfit if you're going out, for like a good evening out, or then just something really small that doesn't take away from what you're wearing but just adds to your outfit is what I really enjoy. I really like bracelets as well. Normally I won't wear so much, but because I'm married and I don't wear a Mangal Sutra, and I like to wear this bit. So this I wear every day. It's got a little evil eye and a few diamonds, and just the black thread also keeps the evil eyes away. So yeah, I think for me every day is my mom's day. She's just the most inspiring person that I have in my life, and here's to all mothers. Yeah, they are just there's just no words to express how much and what all they will do to just see a smile on your faces and to make you comfortable. So I think every day should be celebrated as Mother's Day, and this Mom's Day, of course, there's a lovely present for my mama, and there is obviously the customary lunch that we'll have together, and what will be the best gift? So I think the best gift that I do plan to give, and I hope she's going to really like it, is of course I'm going to give her a piece of jewelry because she loves jewelry like me. I think I've got it from her. But she's been wanting to go to Dharamshala as well. I was there for a yoga retreat a little while ago, last month, and she wants to go to up in the mountains, so I'm going to take her there. Oh, I love you, my mom, and I love you all moms of the world. The world is absolutely nothing without you. You make this place so much better for us. Thank you.
She's the fashionista, so I think she should
Well,
speak.
I find it very beautiful, and Nisha is a beautiful person, and all of the pieces are so elegant, and I'm really happy to be here.
Okay. The designer Darshana and Nisha ji also has invited us, and we are very excited to be here. सारे collection के pieces बहुत ही खूबसूरत थे, बड़े नाजुक हैं. They're statement pieces. They're very glamorous, and we're just having a great time tonight.
Hi, I'm Chef Rakhi Vaswani. I'm really happy to be here today. Thanks to Nisha. This is a fabulous event. The entry is only so glamorous. Feeling really nice and happy. And good luck to the collection, Ornella. And I'm just going to walk in and have a look at the collection. But overall, an amazing event organized by Nisha. Love you loads.
I'm actually here thanks to Nisha, because Nisha is a very, very dear friend, and she's invited me to showcase, as in to have a look at this wonderful jewelry which is being showcased here. I just had a small glimpse because अंदर इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है because the jewelry is apparently so good. कोई जगह मिल नहीं रही मुझे ये काउंटर पे देखने के लिए, so I'm waiting कि मुझे थोड़ा टाइम मिले and I'm able to see the jewelry आराम से.
अभी मैं एंट्री लिया तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ देखने के लिए, क्योंकि अभी तक मैंने देखा नहीं, एंड मैं पहले आप लोगों से बात करनी है और उसके बाद देखना है. अभी या तो देखो खूब किस तरीके, ये डिपेंड्स ऑन द आउटफिट. जो भी फैशन पहनी हुई तो जो इसकी फिटिंग ज्वेलरी होनी है ना, इट हैज़ टू.
ऑफ कोर्स मैं यहाँ कलेक्शन देखने आई हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स मैं निशा जाम्बल, जो मेरी बहुत करीब दोस्त है, उसके लिए भी आई हूँ. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है कलेक्शन. काफ़ी कोई चीज़ें जैसे कि एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग नेक पीसेस थे जो बहुत ही अलग थे, इन बीटन गोल्ड, एंड ऑफ कोर्स डायमंड्स are my favorite, and I saw a lot of that. कुछ डिज़ाइंस बहुत ही अलग थे, and that's what I liked about them. Of course ऐसी कोई औरत ही होगी जिसको ज्वेलरी पहनना पसंद नहीं होता, लेकिन I personally like rings, इसलिए मैं always एक statement ring पहनती हूँ. And I'm okay with earrings. Today I'm wearing very big ones, but they're going with the look, so I'm wearing. But personal favorite मेरे always rings रहे हैं.
Yeah, actually Nisha is a very, very, very close friend, and I really love her. She's an amazing person, so talented, so classy, and the fact that she's associated with this amazing brand, I just love it. I'm so glad she invited me, and I always come only for her first, okay? And yeah, of course the place is beautiful. The whole experience at this event is amazing, and also the jewelry is very nice. As you can see, I love jewelry, so I really love the stuff, and I'm very honored to be here, and I wish Nisha all my love and all my blessings always.
Hi, and I'm here for Nisha Jamwal, and I think it's wonderful. I'm one of the women achievers also, and I believe in gender equality. So far Nisha has done wonderfully for promoting women achievers, and I think yes, it is our time as a stepping stone to be as powerful as men out there. And yes, we have our own rights to enjoy ourselves, to have our own freedom, and I believe in promoting education for women, education for kids. Yes, it is, and it is the year of the women, and I think we should go all out to make the best of it.